Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start with the next part of quadratic equation, which is formula method. Formula method is one of the most easiest method of solving quadratic equation to find the roots. As everyone knows that quadratic equation has two roots, which are also called as zeros of the polynomial. So let's start with the standard formula. So what is the standard formula of quadratic equation? Standard form: ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This quadratic equation has two roots. These roots we mention by alpha comma beta. These two roots have the value minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. That means one of the root alpha will be minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta will be minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. As in the exercise 4.3, they have said that if root exists or if quadratic equation has a root, so how you can determine that quadratic equation has a root or not? So there is no need to solve the problem and find out that after getting the negative side, taking the under root of negative side is not possible, hence roots are not possible. We have a simple form, and that form is called as discriminant. What it is called as? Discriminant. If you see the formula b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. What it is called as? Discriminant. Discriminant, if the value of b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, that means if discriminant is 0, the roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. This is the first condition. What is the second condition? If b square minus 4ac is not equal to 0 but greater than 0, then roots are what is that? Real and distinct. Distinct means unequal. You can say real, distinct, or unequal roots. That means if these two conditions are satisfied, we can say roots exist. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are real and equal, means we are getting the same roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct. That means unequal roots are there. And the third and the most important condition, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means if b square minus 4ac is negative, so we know that we cannot able to take under root of negative, hence the roots are not real. No real roots or not real roots. So there is no need to solve the problem, and after getting the final answer as a negative, then we say the roots does not exist or it is not a quadratic equation. It is better that we take the discriminant b square minus 4ac, value of it, and after getting value less than 0, we can say no real roots or no real not real roots. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we say roots are real and distinct, that means unequal roots. And if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, we say roots are real and equal. Is that clear? And this is the formula minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here in the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, we get the value of a, b and c. We put the value in this formula and we can able to solve it. Let's solve the remaining exercise. Exercise 4.3. We will start with the third question. What is the third question? Find the roots of following quadratic equation. So in third question, I am solving the second bit. First bit is an homework. So what they have said, 1 upon x plus 4 minus 1 upon x minus 7 is equal to 11 upon 30. they have given that x is not equal to -4 and 7. Please note that if x is equal to -4 plus 4, it becomes 0, right? If this becomes 0, then this is not a quadratic equation because it is only having a value of x. Hence they have said x is not -4. If x becomes 7, so plus 7 minus 7 becomes 0. If this becomes 0, so 1 upon x plus 4 is equal to 11 upon 30. Again, it is not a quadratic equation. Hence they have said that -4 and 7 are not the values of x. That means x has any other values, any integer other than -4 and 7. So let's solve this example. So we are going to cross multiply it because we need to have a common denominator. So what we will say, x plus 4 into bracket x minus 7, 1 into x minus 7 is x minus 7 minus 1 into x plus 4 is x plus 4 is equal to 11 upon 30. Now we need to open the bracket. X minus 7 minus into plus minus x minus into plus minus 4 whole divided by, we are going to solve this formula, x into x, x square, x minus 7x plus 4x plus into minus 7 4s are 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. Plus x and minus x get cancelled. Minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11. Here it becomes x square minus 7x plus 4x. What it becomes? 7 4 5 6 7 3 minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 upon 30. Now we need to solve the problem. The 30 goes here, so minus 11 into 30 is equal to 11 into x square minus 3x minus 28. This 11 and this 11 get cancelled on both the side. It is minus 30 is equal to x square minus 3x minus 28. This minus 30 we need to move here. X square minus 3x minus 28 minus 30 will become plus 30 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x minus 28 plus 30 is plus 2 is equal to 0. Now what is the value of a? A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. Now we will solve this problem by formula method. So we will write here a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 2. What is the formula? Alpha comma beta is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. It is minus b is minus 3, minus into minus 3 plus or minus under root b square means minus 3 square minus 4, a is 1, c is 2 upon 2a, a is 1, minus into minus 3 plus 3 under root minus 3 square is 9 minus 4 2s are 8 whole divided by 2. So what it will be? 3 plus or minus under root 8, 9 minus 8 is 1 upon 2. See, we are getting the value of discriminant as 1. That means it is greater than 0. Hence the roots are real and unequal. We have already mentioned here. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct or unequal roots, right? So we are getting the same thing. So it will be 3 plus or minus 1 upon 2 because under root 1 is 1. So we are getting alpha as 3 plus 1 upon 2 or beta 3 minus 1 upon 2. 3 plus 1 is 4 upon 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore, one of the root is 2. What is the one of the root? 2. Beta is 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are. And therefore beta is 1. The answer is 2 or 1. So these are the values of this quadratic equation. So what I want that the remaining problems, try to solve it, especially the word problems. If you are having any problem, let me know and complete the exercise. What is that? Complete 4.3 exercise. And if you are having any problem in doing any homework, let me know, because quadratic equation carries lot of weightage. Please note that in examination lot of weightage is given to the quadratic equation, because quadratic equation is a separate chapter, but quadratic equation we are going to use it in polynomials and many more different exercises, even in arithmetic progression and other examples. So you should be expert in quadratic equation, and formula method is one of the easiest method, you can solve it. But what I want, when you are solving the quadratic equation, not only solve by formula method, also solve by completing square method, and number 3 by factorization. Means the same problem, solve it by 3 different ways, so that all the 3 different steps should be clear with you. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.